Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Scepter Pilot. Today on my channel there is a beast that hasn't been featured before, and that is the little pocket rocket, the Volkswagen Polo 1 liter TSI, heading to a quick Volkswagen car owners meet for breakfast, and yeah, that's the little beast for you. Quite a little punch this little fellow packs. Incidentally, going back to the same stretch of road that you would have seen on my previous video, so I don't think I'm going to be covering too much of the road. Sit back, stay tuned for some nice drive-bys, a lot of Polos today, I think, a lot of Ventos. Looking forward to some exciting cars. I'll see you once I hit the road, guys. What's up, guys? So I don't know if you can see me, it's quite dark inside the car right now. My first stop for the day is going to be the Shell fuel station again. Guys, I should really change the format of my videos because I always start from home, head to the Shell fuel station. I don't know, we'll see what we can do about that. Just heading over, not to get gas today though, just heading over to get some Red Bull for myself because I was up pretty late last night. Was out with a bunch of friends, got back home only by about 1:30 in the morning. The time right now is 5:36 a.m. So I've only managed to get a couple of hours of sleep. I'm going to come back from breakfast and try to get shut-eye for a little while longer. Alright guys, so I got a can of Red Bull and a little bit of water for myself because I'm a little dehydrated and parched, and got out of the Shell fuel station. I'm now on Banagata Road, and yeah, for those of you who've been on my channel for a while, it's going to be a little bit of a deja vu moment for you because you've seen this happen a couple of times. I am heading onto the nice road. I usually carry my suction mount to mount the GoPro. I was a little late today. I was supposed to be there at 6 o'clock, but I had to walk the dog, and like I mentioned a little while ago, I had a late night last night. So yeah, I'm running a little late. In case I don't meet the folks at the meeting point, which is the entrance of the Bangalore highway at Nelmangla, I'd probably catch them at the breakfast point directly. quick breakfast. Quite a huge turnout, huge number of polos, couple of ventos. So we ideally don't have any agenda for the remainder of the day. Probably going to find a place, a wide, nice empty place to park, to shoot some pictures. I'll maybe fly my drone and get some aerial shots of so many polos together. I've never seen so many of them together in one place before. Look around and it's just polos, polos, polos everywhere. So we are on the Hassan highway heading back home. A couple of kilometers after Chandraipatna, there is some work that's happening on the Hassan Bangalore highway. A couple of deviations, nothing too major. When I was riding back on my motorcycle last weekend, it was pretty bad, but that was way later in the evening. It's 10:35 a.m. We're done with our breakfast, so I think it should be a peaceful drive back home. I don't plan on making any more stops, probably just get some gas en route and head home and try and get some shut-eye for the rest of the day. So hope you enjoy some of the aerial shots that I plan on shooting of all of these gorgeous German machines. Our Volkswagen drive for the day comes to an end and I'm heading back home right now. It was a very nice Sunday morning. It was my first car meet. I didn't really know what to expect. Met some really nice bunch of guys. Saw some really wonderful cars. After being a bike guy all of these years, it kind of feels different being a car guy for a day. But yeah, I have a newfound appreciation for cars on a whole, I guess. So yeah, I'm currently on Hassan Bangalore highway heading back home. Should be home in the next hour and a half or so. So on that note, a huge thank you to the Volkswagen South Club, the Karnataka chapter of it, and Pawan for arranging for this meet. Hope to join the folks here more often and have a lot more drives as well. So this is going to be my first car video per se on my channel. So yeah, hope you guys liked it and hope you guys enjoyed those aerial visuals as well. Considering that we didn't really go anywhere picturesque, it was just a meet and greet. You'll probably see some road shots and some shots of some very good looking Polos and Ventos and so on. So thank you for staying tuned for the entire video, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. And just realized it's probably the first time I am appearing in person on my channel as well. So for those of you who haven't met me or seen me, this is me, guys. Hope to feature a lot more of myself as well on my channel. I don't know where the channel is going, but yeah, you'll probably see a lot more of me on there as well. So thanks once again for staying tuned, and stay safe, ladies and gentlemen.